Hello students, I am English teacher Mr. Devesh Singh. This is the video related to your chapter Dr. Gore and the Giggling Ghost. This video has a exercise of this chapter. Exercise A was completed and now exercise B. Let's see. Work in pairs and answer the question. All afternoon he tried pulling the door open. The door opened. This was the line when doctor was trying to pull down the door. Then the question is related to it. What happened right before this? You can write there. Dr. Gore was trying to open the closed door. Dr. Gore was trying to open the closed door, which was painted layer upon layer. It was not opened, and because of it, he became more flustered. ओके मीन्स डॉक्टर गोरे उस डोर को खोलने का बार बार प्रयास कर रहे थे, जिस डोर पे पेंट की कई लेयर चढ़ चुकी थी. डोर नहीं खुला और इसीलिए वो काफ़ी फ्लस्टर्ड हो गए थे, अपसेट हो गए थे. बी नंबर, व्हाई डिड ही वांट टू ओपन द डोर? व्हाई? आंसर, he wanted to open the door to go out into the corridor again. To go out into the corridor again. Number 2, the hospital was buzzing. 2A, hospital was buzzing. Buzzing is a sound made by beat, means slow discussion. Slow sound, low sound is called buzzing. You can write here. Buzzing means low sound, such as a bee makes here. It refers to the muttering about the giggling of the ghost. Now, B. What set of the buzzing? What set of? Giggling of the ghost was set of buzzing. Your answer will be very clear. Giggling of the ghost was set of buzzing. It's okay. Now number 3. Dash dash. He was speechless of what he saw. Student, this was the moment when doctor saw his ghost. At that time he was speechless. Okay. Now 3A, what did doctor see? You will write here. Dr. Gore saw an old sink. Okay, sink, SINK, with ancient plumbing, 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 and an old tap, TAP, that had run for years. Now 3B, what does speechless mean here? Speechless mean here. Listen. Here speechless means that Dr. Gore had no words to describe the ghost when he saw it. So he was speechless at that time. Okay. Now you will see here B, point number 4. But he was too relieved to care. What did he not care about? Two questions are here. The first is, why was Dr. Gore relieved? Dr. Gore was relieved as it was an old sink. It was an old sink with an old tap, not a real ghost. Not a real ghost. Now, fourth B. He didn't. What did he not care about? You will write there. He didn't care about the sink and the tap. He didn't care about the sink and the tap. Okay, so this was the exercise number B, and it's also completed. Now you see exercise number C. C. Discuss in groups of 4. Share your ideas in class. Little balls of steam began curling up from his ears. Question is, do you think steam was actually coming out of his ears? Student, this is a line that is used only to make beautiful the chapter, so this is not good. You will write there, no, the steam was actually not coming out of his ears. The steam was actually not coming out of his ears. Clear? Now, secondly, why does the writer use this expression? ऐसे एक्सप्रेशंस का यूज राइटर ने क्यों किया? इस तरह के एक्सप्रेशन कि स्टीम इज कमिंग फ्रॉम ईयर्स, किसी के कान से स्टीम थोड़े ना आएगा। ये क्या होता है, राइटर इस तरह के एक्सप्रेशंस कुछ लिए यूज करता है सो दैट ही कुड मेक ब्यूटीफुल the lines, the passage, and these all are comes under figure of speech. उपमा दिया जाता है, मेटाफोर किया जाता है, जिससे सेंटेंस को एक चीज़ से दूसरी चीज़ से कंपैरिजन दिखाया जाता है। मीन्स उस समय के एक्सप्रेशंस को, उस पर्टिकुलर व्यक्ति के फीलिंग्स क्या है, उसकी एक्सप्रेशन क्या है, उसका गेस्चर अपीयरेंस क्या है, इस सबको उसमें शो किया जाता है। So you will write here in point number 2, the writer uses this expression to show his anxiety or restlessness to the readers. Okay. And now in point number 3, did you smile at the thought of steam coming out of Dr. Gore's ear? क्या ऐसे पढ़ करके किसी के ईयर से स्टीम निकल रहा है? स्टूडेंट ने क्या इस पर स्माइल किया? You will write there according to your own views, but till then, what is my views? You can write there. Yes, we smile at the thought of steam coming out of his ears. हाँ, किसी के कानों से स्टीम निकलता हुआ ऐसा पढ़कर सुनकर डेफिनेटली वी वर एक्सट्रीमली हैप्पी इन स्माइलिंग मोड दैट डेफिनेटली this is not a reality, this is definitely a fiction. Now the last of the C, how the comic books show people who are angry. जो लोग काफ़ी नाराज़ रहते हैं, ऐसे नाराज़ लोगों को कॉमिक बुक में कैसे दिखाया जा सकता है? कैसे? हियर यू कैन सी आई हैव मेड अ नोटबुक ऑफ दिस चैप्टर. You can see here, student, by drawing pictures of angry face like it. इस तरह से एक एंग्री फेस बनाओगे जिसमें काफ़ी आंखें बिल्कुल ओपन हो, दिख रहा हो कि इंसान काफ़ी एंग्री मूड में, तो ऐसे एक एंग्री इमोजी, एक एंग्री फेस बना करके यू विल कंप्लीट द आंसर of this question. Okay, student, this is the end of the exercise number C. You will write it in your HW and I hope you will clear all the concepts to revise the chapter. And now the next exercise will be in next video. Till then, goodbye, complete your work and also have a nice study at your home to save yourself. Goodbye.